Hello viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Almonds. Almonds are known for their impressive nutrition profile and a health benefit. These crunchy nuts are a great snack food loaded with several vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Almonds may be consumed raw or in a roasted form, but some people prefer to eat them after soaking. Soaked almonds have many health benefits ranging from improving the digestive health to fighting cancer. In today's video, we would be discussing about 13 health benefits of having soaked almonds, why soaked almonds are better than raw almonds, how to soak almonds in water, how to store soaked almonds, how many soaked almonds should I eat per day? Soaked almonds are better than raw almonds in texture, taste and nutrient availability. Soaking softens the outer layer of the almonds, which leads to healthy digestion of the nutrients. It also inhibits the two anti-nutrients, tannins and phytic acid that are found in the brown covering of these nuts. Peeling of the outer layer allows the almonds to release all the nutrients. Raw almonds are crunchy and hard with a bitter flavor due to the anti-nutrients. Soaked almonds are softer and tastier. So it's no surprise that soaked almonds offer same health benefits than raw almonds. 13 health benefits of soaked almonds. Soaked almonds are great for your digestive system, brain and other organs. Here we have put together some of the most important medicinal values of these wonder food. Number 1. Improves the digestive health. Soaked almonds can make your food digestion smoother and faster by facilitating the entire digestive procedure. The external layer of the almond, which has a hard texture, makes it difficult to digest. However, soaking activates the nutrients in the almonds, makes them more digestible, and reduces their anti-nutrient levels. Soaked almonds also release lipase, a lipid-breaking enzyme that works on the fat present in the food and aids in digestion. Soaking the almonds at a room temperature for 24 hours may enhance their nutrient bioavailability through the degradation of phytic acid. 2. Almonds aids weight loss. Frequent intake of nuts like almonds boost metabolism to aid weight loss and reduce the risk of obesity. Regular consumption of soaked and peeled almonds in the morning as a part of low-calorie diet has several health benefits such as decrease in bad cholesterol, that is LDL, and weight loss. Moreover, it is associated with reduction in the waist circumference, fat mass, and water weight. Eating nuts at a moderate level is also associated with energy expenditure in the body, which leads to weight loss. Third, almonds are good during pregnancy. Almonds are a rich source of folate. Folate supplementation aids the labor process and prevents neural tube and congenital heart defects in the baby. Soaking the almonds increases the bioavailability of this nutrient. 4. It also improves the brain function. Almonds are said to possess L-carnitine, though there is no scientific evidence to prove the same. L-carnitine may help in the production and growth of new brain cells. Almonds also contain phenylalanine, which can improve the cognitive function and memory. These nuts are also rich in vitamin E and vitamin B6, which are known to preserve the memory, retard the cognitive decline associated with Alzheimer's disease, and enhance the bioavailability of the proteins to the brain cells. Almonds also contain omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Certain researchers says that these fatty acids may help in boosting the brain development. This could also enhance the memory and delay the onset of age-associated cognitive dysfunction. 5. Almonds promote heart health. Almonds are a good source of plant protein, potassium and magnesium. These nutrients are great for preventing cardiovascular diseases. Soaked almonds also contain polyphenols and antioxidants that may prevent heart disease. 6. May reduce the cholesterol levels. Soaked almonds are loaded with monounsaturated fatty acids, which lowers the amount of low-density lipoprotein or bad cholesterol in your bloodstream. The vitamin E content of these nuts may help in fighting against LDL, that is low-density lipoprotein, and raising the level of high-density lipoprotein, that is HDL, or good cholesterol in the body. The minerals such as potassium and magnesium may help in regulating the blood pressure levels. 7. May boost the energy levels. Consumption of soaked almonds may help in enhancing your metabolism, thereby boosting energy levels. Almonds contain riboflavin and potassium that help in increasing energy metabolism. 8. May improve blood pressure levels. The low sodium and high potassium content of almonds may help prevent your blood pressure from escalating. High blood pressure is one of the top reasons for stroke, heart attack and cardiac arrest. The magnesium in almonds may help lower the risk of coronary artery congestion. 9. It helps in treating diabetes. Soaked almonds may help keep your blood sugar level under control. It is shown that consumption of almonds increases the lipid profile and improves the glycemic control. 10. It helps in treating constipation. The insoluble fiber in soaked almonds may treating constipation. It regulates the bowel movement in the intestine, thereby reducing the symptoms of constipation. May fight against cancer. Almonds are said to contain phytic acid, which has been shown to exhibit antioxidant properties that may help prevent cancer. They are also rich in tannins that have an anti-cancer property. 12. Benefits of soaked almonds for skin. The regular consumption and proper external application of soaked almonds may be good for your skin, though there is insufficient data available to prove. Soaked almonds also help in preventing aging. The vitamin E and other antioxidants present in these nuts can help eliminate the harmful free radicals from your body. As a result, the aging process gets delayed and your skin looks younger for longer. Soaked almond paste may help treat skin inflammation. The polyphenols found in the almond skin reduces the risk of inflammatory disease. This could provide relief from itching and irritation of rashes or chapped skin. 13. Benefits of soaked almonds for hair. Eating soaked almonds or using its paste on the scalp is said to nourish your hair and make it stronger. It helps repair hair damage, frequent hair falls, and also reduces the risk of hair damage. How to soak almonds in water. Soaking almonds is very simple. Here's a simple way to soak them overnight. Follow the below steps to understand more about how to soak almonds in water. 1. Pour the almonds in a bowl. Add enough water to cover them completely. Let the bowl sit on your countertop overnight or for 8 to 12 hours. Drain out and rinse the almonds. If you want, you can remove the skin of the almonds for a smoother texture. Pat the almonds dry with a clean paper towel before eating them. The soaked nuts can be eaten for breakfast or on an empty stomach for better absorption of the nutrients. How to store soaked almonds? You may keep the soaked almonds up to 5 days in the refrigerator in an airtight container. After that, you will observe a change in the color of these nuts. You can dry soak almonds by roasting or dehydrating them before storing them. To roast the soaked almonds, preheat the oven to 79 degrees Celsius and can roast them until they are dried out. Dehydrate soaked almonds at 68 degrees Celsius temperature maintenance for 12 hours. How many soaked almonds should I eat a day? It is recommended that a person can eat 10 to 12 soaked almonds per day as they add valuable nutrients to your diet. Certain myths about almonds. Is it good to drink almond soaked water? No, it is not good to drink almond soaked water as it contains tannin, phytates and some cyanide compounds. Does soaking almonds remove the nutritive value of almonds? No. Soaking almonds does not remove any nutrients from them. Removing the skin from almonds after soaking them only removes the anti-nutrients that inhibiting the release of essential nutrient from almonds.